Hey you guys, so this is part 2 and this is my Italian curly hair, honey. When I tell you it's always quality. Each bundle closure frontal or wig will come with a thank you card as well as care instructions. So we are going to get right into it. I'm kind of going to go fast on this part. If you guys would like a separate tutorial on what my settings are for my sewing machine, as well as just how to construct a wig on a sewing machine, please like this video and comment below. So yeah, basically just following my guidelines with each track. So I had already bleached and toned the knots off camera. I'm just going in with a light pluck. My client never likes baby hairs, but this time she said she wanted it just as long as it looked realistic. So I always fight with my mannequin headstand. It just never wants to lay there. So basically I'm just going to define the part. I'm going in with the Do mousse, you guys. I like that mousse. I do. A light, just, a little swoop-diddy-doo. Swoop-diddy-doo. And this is what we got. Absolutely beautiful. 155% glueless, baby. Meaning you could just put it on and go. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.